You think you can't let go because you love them. That's what you tell yourself. But the truth started way before them. It started in childhood, when you were taught that love had conditions. Be good, be quiet, be likable, and maybe you'll be chosen. So you learned early. Love isn't something you are. It's something you earn. And once you earn it, you don't let go of it. Because losing it doesn't just hurt. It feels like failure. So when someone enters your life, you don't just like them. You attach, you invest, you build meaning around them. You start shaping yourself, your words, your actions, your personality around what keeps them there. And slowly, you stop being just you. You become you plus them. And your brain loves it. Dopamine, oxytocin, familiar patterns. It wires them into your system like they belong there, like they're necessary. So when they leave, it doesn't feel like separation. It feels like something was ripped out of you. And your mind panics. Not because they were perfect, but because they became part of your identity. And now there's a gap, an uncomfortable silence, a version of you that no longer exists. So your brain does what it was trained to do. It tries to fix it. Maybe I can get them back. Maybe I wasn't enough. Maybe I can be better. That's not love talking. That's conditioning. Because since childhood, you were never taught how to let go. You were taught how to hold on. Hold on to approval. Hold on to connection. Hold on to anything that made you feel chosen, even if it was hurting you. Especially if it was hurting you. So now you sit there, replaying memories, rewriting conversations, holding on to potential, not because they're still right for you, but because letting go forces you to face something deeper, who you are, without someone to validate your existence, without someone to complete the version of you built for them. And that's terrifying, because now there's no distraction, no illusion, no we, just you. And maybe for the first time, you don't recognize yourself. So you call it love. You call it attachment. You call it, I can't move on. But if you're honest, you're not struggling to let go of them. You're struggling to let go of the person you became when they were in your life. And that version of you, it was built to keep someone else, not to keep yourself.